ABB is opening our new innovation and training campus at our Global Center for Machine and Factory Automation at B&R in Eggelsberg, Austria. Global research shows companies worldwide are planning to reduce operational risks by near or home shoring their production. We will see that this global shift towards shorter supply chains contributing to a re-industrialization of Europe. That requires new machine automation and digitalization expertise and skills here in Europe, which our new campus will provide, training up to 4,000 students, apprentices, and customers every year.
What we are doing is enabling the re-industrialization of Europe. Intelligent automation is the key to nearshoring. Automating dirty, dull, and dangerous tasks helps facilitate the return of manufacturing back to Europe. This creates new jobs, strengthens the economy, and not least, protects our environment.
Factories of the future will host connected and networked automated systems, equipped with self-learning intelligence and rapid data analysis, powered by artificial intelligence with vision and mobility technologies. Creating a fully integrated production, research and training campus is the best way to drive those technologies forward, working with our customers and to train the people needed for the workplace of tomorrow.
Great innovation is not delivered in isolation. It requires collaboration. Our new campus is a perfect example of ABB's innovation ecosystem, collaborating openly in product training, research and development, with universities, our customers, and startups from across the region. We are not only creating highly skilled jobs, we are shaping the machine and factories of the future together.